how to allow or don't allow permissions to change system settings on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on apps. From here, we tap on the more button, then tap on special access. Next, go down and tap on change system settings. Then in the list of apps, tap on the toggle button of an app to allow or don't allow permission for the app to change the system settings. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.